I did a video previously about redeeming Avios. However, sometimes it can be quite difficult to find Avios availability. In this video, I'll go over how you can guarantee yourself an Avios seat. Imagine you're a family of 4 and want to travel over the Christmas period. It can be quite difficult to find 4 Avios seats. This is more so difficult in business class. Now with British Airways, what you need to know is that there's a 355-day rule. Now this is essentially where the seats, whether it's for Avios or cash, are released 355 days ahead. British Airways guarantees that they'll make 14 seats available on long haul journeys. So this is 8 in economy, 2 in premium economy and 4 in business class. So this is why, for example, if you wanted 4 business class seats, if you try to book for next month or even a few months down the line, you probably wouldn't find availability. This is where the 355-day rule will help you. With the 355-day rule, seats are released at midnight 355 days out. This is useful as it can pretty much guarantee you Avios seats for that particular date. This is why you need to plan ahead and put a reminder in your calendar of when those flights are released. This is especially useful for people planning to travel around Christmas holidays. Christmas holidays for many schools are often released many years in advance and often you can predict when it'll start. Therefore, this 355-day rule means that you can plan well ahead and snap up those seats as soon as they're released at midnight. Now the method for booking these seats are relatively simple. Essentially, assuming you've got enough Avios, you want to book the outbound as soon as it's released and then essentially wait the number of days that you're likely to be on holiday, so let's just say 7 days, and then 7 days later your return flight will be released, basically following the same 355-day principle. Again, you want to set yourself a reminder for when the return flight is released. Now things start getting a bit more or slightly more complicated if you've got a 2-for-1 voucher to use. So this is the British Airways 2-for-1 voucher that you get on their American Express credit card. Now there are 2 ways to go about this. If you've got enough Avios before using the 2-for-1 voucher to cover basically the outbound and inbound, then it's very simple. You essentially book the outbound and inbound separately, as I've just mentioned. You apply the 2-for-1 voucher on the outbound, and then what you do is once both legs are booked, you need to call up the British Airways Executive Club helpline and get them to apply the voucher on the return leg as well. What they'll do is once they've applied it, they'll refund you the extra Avios that you've paid. Now one problem I've had with getting the help desk to apply the 2-for-1 voucher is that a lot of them seem not to know about their own rules. So they might claim that you need to cancel the entire booking and then rebook with the 2-for-1 voucher. Now obviously the downside of that is that if you cancel, there's no guarantee that those Avios seats will become available again for you to rebook. Now if someone does claim that's the case, hang up and call again. If after a few calls they're still claiming that's the case, what I've found success in is going onto their Twitter help page and essentially messaging them the entire booking details and asking them that you want to basically apply the 2-for-1 voucher across both bookings. I found more success via the Twitter page than on the helpline. The helpline, it's been a bit 50-50, so it's just another avenue for you to try. Now, if you don't have enough Avios, it's a bit more tricky because essentially you need them to apply the 2-for-1 voucher at the point of booking. Now, in order to do this, you can essentially book the outbound first, as I've explained before, so you can do all this online at midnight. For the return leg, what you want to do is about 10 minutes before midnight, you want to call the Executive Club helpline. Now often you may end up calling the North America helpline. Now once you get through about 11:50 p.m, you go through all the security checks and so on, and then basically you go on to inform them that you want to book a flight with Avios. You also explain that you want to apply the 2-for-1 voucher that's already on an existing booking, and they should be able to apply it across the 2 bookings. Now what they'll be able to do is essentially as soon as the seats are released at midnight, they'll hold those seats Now, a few caveats about the 355-day rule. Now, firstly, if the schedule for the flight or the particular route that you want to fly on hasn't been released or published yet, the 355-day rule won't apply essentially, because there'll be no flights to book. Now, often this can be because British Airways are still negotiating with the airport on flight times and so on, or maybe it's just simply a seasonal route. Therefore, the dates that you want to go on, the British Airways won't fly that particular route. It's often useful to sign up to British Airways newsletter to be notified about any new routes that are announced. It's also useful to sign up to the Head for Points newsletter, who often publish new routes when they get announced. Now, the other useful thing about signing up to both of those newsletters is that there's often Avios only flights that are launched periodically. Now, I did speak about this in my previous video about redeeming Avios. Now, the useful thing about these Avios only flights is that the entire plane, all seats on the airplane, are essentially made available for Avios. Now, often, historically, the routes that they've operated are very leisurely routes, so it's places such as Dubai and so on. The other one was Sharm el Sheikh, and the times that they've operated these Avios only flights are during school holidays, which is very useful. So yeah, do sign up to their newsletters and be notified about them as soon as they're released. Now, the one last caveat that I want to speak about with the 355-day rule is that this particular 355-day rule only applies to British Airways in this scenario. Now, there are similar rules for other airlines, it's just the figures vary. So, for example, Iberia operate on a 360-day rule, so essentially their flights are released 360 days ahead. Qatar Airways operate on a 361-day rule. Now, in my previous video, I mistakenly said 360 days, but it is essentially 361 days. Now, the reason why it's useful to know about the 355-day rule or the figure for a particular airline, for example, with Qatar Airways 361 days, is because you'd miss out on seats if you were to stick to the 355-day rule for Qatar Airways, because essentially they would have released their flights much earlier or a few days earlier on their own Avios program, which is bookable on their own website. So people may have snapped those seats up already. So this is why you need to be aware of those figures. If you, say for example, wanted to book a Qatar Airways flight, then 361 days ahead, you want to head on over to the Qatar Airways website and book it via the Qatar Airways Privilege Club program. Now, with the Qatar Airways program, it's very easy to link to your existing British Airways Executive Club account and essentially use the points from there. With the Iberia one, it's slightly more tricky. You can essentially transfer Avios across, but there are some caveats on the program itself where I believe you need to keep the account open for 90 days before you can actually book a flight. So I would say plan ahead and get those accounts opened up just in case you decide to use their program. So using these methods that I've outlined, especially the 355-day rule, you should be able to essentially guarantee yourself some Avios seats. Now, even though British Airways say that they'll release 14 seats 355 days ahead, there's nothing to stop them essentially releasing seats intermediately. However, basically, there's no guarantee that they will. The guarantee is at the 355-day mark. So this is when you want to book your tickets. And from my own personal experience, that's exactly what I've done over the past several years. And especially for peak school holiday times, it's worked out. Okay, so hopefully that's been of use to you. If it has been, then give it a like. And as always, do subscribe to the channel.